Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are discussing why workstation sinks should be considered for your kitchen renovation. A kitchen that works as hard as you do. From meal prep to cleanup, every step flows seamlessly with the perfect workstation sink. Hi, we are RTKB.com, and today we're diving into why workstation sinks, especially those from Ruvati, are a game changer for your kitchen. A workstation sink isn't just a sink. It's a multifunctional hub that makes your kitchen tasks faster, easier, and more enjoyable. From meal prep to cleanup, everything happens in one place, saving you time and effort. And here is why you should consider one. First, efficiency. With built-in accessories like cutting boards, colanders, and drying racks, you can prep, rinse, and organize without moving back and forth across your kitchen. Second, it maximizes space. Whether your kitchen is large or small, the workstation sink provides extra functionality right over the sink, freeing up your countertops for everything else. Third, versatility. It's not just for meal prep. Use it to wash delicate produce, drain pasta, or even tackle heavy cleanup after a big family dinner. The possibilities are endless. And when it comes to quality, Ruvati workstation sinks stand out. With durable materials, innovative designs, and a sleek, modern look, Ruvati combines functionality and style like no other. Whether you're a passionate home chef or simply want to make your kitchen more efficient, a workstation sink is the perfect upgrade. It's time to rethink what a sink can do for you, and trust me, once you try one, you'll never go back. So why wait? Explore workstation sinks today and transform the way you use your kitchen. We are offering 10% off when you use code YouTube at checkout on rtakb.com.